This video, I'm going to show you where you can find your store orders. So I'm in my demo site here. I'm going to go down to orders. You'll obviously get a notification when someone places an order. So you want to come in here to orders. And there is one test order in here. So this is where all of your orders are going to show up. Let me kind of show you. I have another site that's mine. It has more than one order just to kind of show you what it looks like. So this is where all your orders will be when they come in. All those orders are rolling in. So let's go ahead and take a look at this invoice. So I actually do have an online retail shop as well. So actually this is just for a service. So I am going to go into my site and show you for a product. So obviously this would be if someone booked a service. And these are going to be more for products. So I do have actually a test product in here just to kind of show you what this invoice looks like. So this is a test product order. It's going to have all your basic information. So typically what I do is come through here, and when I'm fulfilling my orders, I print that packing slip. And then you also can come through here and print that order. You can see here, you can send a shipping confirmation. You can actually also ship through Wix. So if you want to check that out, I use the site called Shipping Easy. You can use USPS, so you can kind of check out those shipping options if you're going to be shipping products. Issue a refund, cancel and refund, create an invoice, archive, all kinds of things. So obviously, I typically print one packing slip. The packing slip's not going to have all of the price and everything, and then your order will have. So I typically send one to send out to the customer and then one for myself for reference. So this is going to be what your invoice looks like. So that is pretty much it. Pretty short video, but I just wanted to show you where you can come in. And again, I strongly suggest that you go in here and just kind of poke around. And for sure, before you launch your site, and especially before you launch your online store, I would put in a product for like $1 and do a test purchase so you can see what the email looks like that comes to your customers, what the process looks like, again, before you launch it for your actual paying customers.